This Learning Club's back, and today I'm going to do a video on atoms and radioactivity. In this video, I'm going to give you a small introduction about atoms, and this is one of my subscribers' request. So for his request, I'm going to do this video today. Just a small introduction about atoms. Let's go for the video. If we take atom, an atom has three parts. Those three parts: electrons, neutrons, and protons. So these three are the three parts of one atom. So if I'm going to draw a structure now, structure of an atom. The structure of atom is very simple. We will have to draw a small circle, like thing, but they are trusting that atoms are in a sphere shape, but it is not in sphere, but they trust like that. So I'm going to mark, this is the nucleus of the atom. These plus marks are protons, and the which I have not marked anything are the neutrons because they are neutral. And these are the electrons. The minus marks which I have marked right here, these four are electrons. This is a special thing. These minus, wait, I'll label those and explain you. These plus ones are protons. These minus ones are electrons, and these which I have not marked anything are known as neutrons because I have not marked anything because they are neutrons. They are neutral, so I can't mark anything because they are neutral. These electrons, a special thing, and these circles are shells of the atom. This is the outer shell. This is the inner shell. You will get a new video of ahead of my channel about these shells. But for now, let's go for this atom only. These electrons are in these shells. They are going around. But these protons and neutrons are in the nucleus. They stay there. They stay inside the nucleus. They won't go anywhere else. Now, this is a small table that I'm going to give you for the relative mass of the atomic particle and the relative charge of it. First, we'll go for electrons. The relative mass of electrons is 1 and the relative charge is -1. Next we'll go for neutrons. The relative mass of neutrons, remember, it's 2000. Relative charge of neutrons is 0 because it is neutral, as you know. And the last one, protons. The relative mass of protons is same as neutrons, 2000. But the relative charge is different, it's plus 1. So this is the table which gives you a more further information about these three atomic particles. Electrons has a relative mass of 1 and a relative charge of -1. Neutrons has a relative mass of 2000, relative charge of 0. Protons have a relative mass of 2000 as well, like neutrons, and relative charge is +1. So now let's get some further information about these atomic particles one by one. First we'll go for electrons. It is a very small particle. It has a little mass. I mean a small mass, as you saw in the before table, it was just 1. And it has a negative charge, -1. You saw it, right? Now let's go for the nucleus. Not neutrons, but it's the nucleus, which contains protons and neutrons both. This is neutrons plus protons makes the nucleus have the same relative mass, 2000 times heavier than electrons. Amount of protons equals to amount of neutrons. Nucleus is neutrons plus protons, and it has the same relative mass, 2000 times heavier than electrons, and the amount of protons is equal to amount of electrons, but the charges are not equal. The amount, that means how many protons. If protons, there are 4 electrons too, so that's equal. And now maybe you have seen in the periodic table, they give a letter for a particular element, and they give the mass number and they give the atomic number. So this is called as the atomic notation. This is the atomic notation which you are going to get now. The symbol is given the letter X. The mass number given the letter A, and Z is the atomic number. I'll label it for you. This is the atomic number. This is the symbol, and this is the atomic mass of this particular element. So now we have got a small introduction, at least I think that you have got. So if you have got, you just press the like button of this video, and if you have any doubt or any video that needed to be published by me, uploaded by me, you can give the name of the video down below in comments, and as well subscribe to help me for these videos, and encourage me that and show me that you are with me. Thank you and God bless.